So, hey there, TCS results have been announced. So, let's go to TCS CodeVita portal. So, this is the URL codevita.tcsapps.com. So, there you can see the results of round one. Let's see. So, you have to log in first and then you have to put here your email ID. I will put my then click on sign in. Then you get one time code which you will get from Authenticator app, which is Microsoft Authenticator app. So you have to put that there. 3. Sign in. After clicking on sign in, you will go to this dashboard. Then you have to go to this result tab, and then you will get this list of uh, candidates who have successfully passed round one of TCS CodeVita. So I have to put my name, a username. Yeah. So I have this 748 rank and I have solved three questions. Okay. So this is how you can see your results. So let me know what rank you have got and subscribe to my channel for further details about the next round interview calls and other notification of TCS CodeVita. Okay.